Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can gain access to the quantum computer in Black Ops Call of Duty 6. So what you'll need to do is jump up here, then you'll be able to go to inside, then you'll need to hack it. So it will be a puzzle, some sort of puzzle. So basically, let's do that quickly. Okay. Okay, we did one, and then we will we will need to do the other one. So let's go and hack this one. Okay, and now we can retrieve drive a set from the quantum computer and access the quantum computer. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to comment down below, subscribe to Guide to Everything, and we see you in the next one.